Today is March 22, 3:25 p.m. We are looking at Coinbase. Bitcoin has a pretty good run lately, and so we want to know, is it going to continue? Because today it had dropped 4%, and after its many days of green, as you can see here, it's come to sort of maybe an end, and so we want to know what's going on. It's at $80. So let's take a look at the options tape. And we saw something very unusual, which is why we wanted to let everybody know just about 2 minutes ago at 3:24. Okay, this here, the March 31s, there were 660 of these contracts. And we thought this was quite unusual, where they sold the 74 puts and then bought the 92 calls. So in order to sell the 74 strike price puts, they would have to have, let's see, 74 strike price, owning 100 shares of it. So it was 7,400 per contract. Since it was 660 contracts, they needed $4.8 million to put on a trade like this. So we think this is quite a large institution to be betting on Bitcoin here, or Coinbase, right? So if we look at this trade here on the March 31s, this 74 put is right over here. You can see it right here. All right, and there's actually other people also doing this. This volume is pretty high today, so they sold the 74, and then they bought the 92, which is over here. They bought the 92 calls. Let me see that here. So we'll also do that, and you can take a look as we analyze this trade. So this trade, let's make sure this is the right one, and here we are, is right here. It's a bullish bet on Bitcoin, and the break-even point is actually down at 72, near 72. So even at expiration day on March 31, which is about 9 days, if it doesn't, if it's still above 72, they're at no loss here because they sold the 74 puts and collected a credit for that. And so anything is, but if this starts coming up, they could be profitable depending on when they close their trade. And if it keeps going up, they'll be profitable. So this trade is again, it's here, and you'll want to look at the volume too. So if you look at this down move today, you also notice that the volume isn't that high. It's not that high. So that could be also why this large institution thinks it will continue to go up, because today's volume, the down volume today for this sell-off, hasn't been very strong compared to a lot of this other volume here. As it moved up, this volume has been a lot stronger. Okay, compare that to today's down movement. So that's partly why we believe this large institution put in this amount of money into this bullish trade on Bitcoin or Coinbase, because Bitcoin's price has been going up, and so Coinbase also goes up when Bitcoin goes up. All right, so hope you like this video. If you do, give a like and subscribe and hit the bell icon, and you'll be notified whenever we see these unusual options. This was something that just happened just a few minutes ago, and so if you don't have the bell icon on, then you will miss this trade. All right, take care, everyone, and good luck trading Bitcoin.